You are viewing Pediatric Eye Clinic Ortho-K Insertion and Removal. Before we get to the fun part, let's review some important instructions. You are about to insert rigid gas permeable lenses into your eyes. These lenses are a visual medical device and not just a convenience. Therefore, you must follow your doctor's care instructions at all times. Your new Ortho-K lenses have been specially designed for your eyes. Keep in mind that this treatment is completely reversible, and in order for it to work, you must sleep with your lenses a minimum of 8 hours. Follow all your lens cleaning and wearing instructions. Don't change contact lens solutions or disinfecting procedures without consulting your doctor. And never, under no circumstance should you use tap water to clean, rinse, or store your Ortho-K lenses. Welcome to Ortho-K. Let's begin. Before we begin, get your care supplies ready. You will need your clear care solution, your optic-free solution, your lens case, your preservative-free solution or the one prescribed by your doctor, a plunger, used only if recommended by your doctor, and finally, your Ortho-K lenses. Keep in mind that your clear care solution is only to disinfect and not to rinse your lenses. Do not squirt clear care directly into your eyes, or burning and stinging will result. Do not use a flat lens case. Clear care only works with the special lens case provided. Do not remove lenses from the case for at least 6 hours. The solution needs time to neutralize. Never rinse your contact lenses with clear care before you put them in your eyes. If you want to rinse your lenses, use a sterile saline solution or the multi-purpose solution recommended by your doctor. Always wash your hands with soap and water, and dry them completely with a clean towel to avoid any water from getting into your lenses. Your doctor has provided you with 2 Ortho-K lenses, a red one for the right eye, and a yellow lens for the left eye. You will notice a black dot on the right Ortho-K lens. Don't worry, your lens is not dirty, so don't try to remove it. This mark was placed in your lens so that you might distinguish right from left in case you're unable to see the lens color. Now, to insert your Ortho-K lenses, start with your right lens. Place it at the tip of your index finger and fill it with the preservative-free solution prescribed by your doctor before insertion. Now, to insert your Ortho-K lens, hold your lids wide open and hold them tightly to prevent your eye from blinking. And now, insert the Ortho-K lens right at the center of your eye. Let me show you one more time. Hold your lids wide open and place the lens at the center. Let's do it one last time. Hold your lids wide open and insert at the center. Got it? Now let's do the same thing on the other eye. Remember to hold your lids wide open and insert the lens right at the center of your eye. Let's do it one more time. Hold your lids wide open and place at the center. One last time. Open and place. Well done. Now that you have your lenses on, look straight in the mirror and make sure there's no bubbles, like the one in this picture. If there's any bubbles, remove your lenses and place it back on until no bubbles appear. Got it? Great! Now you're ready to go to bed. Remember to get at least 8 hours of sleep. Now let me show you how easy it is to remove your lenses. Ready? Let's get those lenses out. First, before you remove your lenses, apply a drop of preservative-free solution in your eyes to help loosen your lenses. Now with your index finger, apply pressure to the corner of your eye. Now pull back and up toward the ear. Blink and the lens should pop right out. Didn't quite get it this time? Let's try it again. Grab the corner of your eye, pull back and up toward the ear, and blink. See how it pops right out? Easy, right? Now let's do the other eye. Apply pressure in the corner of the eye, pull back and up, and blink. One last time. Pull back and up, and blink. Now let me show you how to remove your Ortho-K lenses with a plunger. Remember, a plunger must only be used if recommended by your doctor. Remember to always apply a drop of the preservative-free solution recommended by your doctor before removing your lenses, especially when using a plunger. Now, to remove your lens, Gently dab the plunger toward the lens. Once it touches the lens, remove it gently. Again, gently dab the plunger toward the lens and remove it gently. Now, let me show you how to care for your Ortho-K lenses. In order for you to continue enjoying great vision, you must sterilize your Ortho-K lenses daily. Now that you've removed your Ortho-K lenses, grab your lens case and place the lenses inside. Fill your container with a clear clear solution up to the gray line. And place your Ortho-K lenses case inside. Do not shake the container, but simply place it on a flat surface. Now let your lenses sit for at least 6 hours. Never insert your lenses before the 6 hours are up, or burning and stinging may occur. Once the 6 hours are up, you may once again use your Ortho-K lenses. But to make sure you don't feel any burning or stinging, always rinse your lenses first with the multi-purpose solution recommended by your doctor. And don't forget to fill your lenses with the preservative-free solution recommended by your doctor before inserting your lenses once again.